Trim tabs is set. Nav is looking good. Flight instruments is going to be set back to St.Maarten. Engine instruments all checked in the green. Left gen. Select. Is erect.
So flap.
Set.
Navigation light.
Is set. Is checked. Roger.
Taxi. Yep, I know.
We go 291 to taxi the taxiway.
Oh wow.
Hold short at Alpha 1191.
Taxi to Alpha hold short and at Alpha 191, 29012. Alright, taxi Alpha hold short.
Check.
I take it back, that was quick.
Yes, sir. I tell you, flying with Richie.
Yeah. You and Eddie that say the same thing. Alright, just clear all the way.
Check.
Taxi check when you're ready.
Good.
Brakes.
Check.
Flight controls.
Come back at you. Full and free.
Bit of backup.
And cycling and checking.
Flaps is turn. Speed off 47 Mr. Brief.
I'm on the brief. I don't have any at this time.
No passengers, no PA.
Check.
Mobile crossing approved.
You crossing approved.
Alpha is the other one.
I know.
Oh.
What's the DME? 0.8. Slightly to the right. Alright, check. Just check on my VOR.
044, it's it?
Yeah.
Mobile clear active.
So I'm like dots off the right side.
Sure.
Over the Alpha.
Yep. Total time I got 38. Oh, this is not the squawk. Tower, good day, wind 2901 to taxi to Alpha, ready for clearance to Julliana.
Wind 2912, backtrack, a line up runway 07, clear to Julliana via Bravo 520, climb to flight number 80, squawk 0157.
Traffic 104.
07, clear to Julliana via Bravo 520, flight level 080, squawk 0157, wind 2912.
Wind 2912, read back correct, runway 07, clear for takeoff, left turn, wind 090 degrees.
And lights. 07, clear for takeoff, left turn out, wind 2912. Alright,
ready?
Takeoff checks is completed.
Check. So now the call is Alpha now.
Yeah. Alpha Bravo is in order now. Alpha Bravo Charlie, and the next side is Delta, and so on.
Nice. Finally.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Lights on and rolling.
Sure.
Friction.
Friction is being set. Friction set 60.
Check.
V1 rotate.
Flap 0.
Flaps select 0. Indicating 0.
Check. Climb 76.
Climb for 76 on the props, come back.
Roger. No restrictions confirmed.
No, they didn't tell us any restrictions.
Roger. take off checks when you're able.
After take off, check stack light off, flaps up, climb power, settle on the lights.
It's off.
Auto further.
Deselect.
Main nose wheel.
It's centered.
After take off, checks complete.
Roger. Had I ever show you the radar from them?
Yeah.
Oh.
You show me it and somebody else.
Yeah.
The radar, what you don't use.
Yep.
Going over the traffic, you have ATC.
Okay, go.
And you pass in 2500, so 1013. 2992 for you.
A check.
Alright, you got one.
I got one.
Traffic going on 2912.
Okay, copy. Have a good day.
Alright, thanks a lot for the help. See ya. Back on one.
Check. Track bar alive.
Check. Oh, it's radio 320. You're on radio 310.
320.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 3.
That's
You're
why
right.
yours off and mine not. Alright, so back on one, no changes I assume.
Check.
Altitude, Greenbird 723.
And we cleared up the 6 and from?
80.
80, roger.
Yeah.
Roger.
1273, Greenbird 723, follow.
Windward 2912, airborne 44, report established, radial 320, maintaining flight level 80 and 45 DME.
Okay, we established now on the bar 520 to 320. Call you 45 DME, any local, and flight level 00. You know what, 2912. I hope I got that. 45 DME, flight level 080 local, alright. Wait, isn't 45 DME local? No,
45?
No, Ilopo is 50.
Yeah.
We still going. Oh no, we still got time, okay. Ground speed is a lot more. And don't let me forget, we have to do a trend this time.
Yeah. Out of 70 for 080.
Yeah, check. Now it feels like it got so much power.
I'm telling you. Still climbing, still doing better than 1,000 feet a minute, boy.
Exactly. Approaching 80.
Check.
Leveling down flight level 080 and 12912 Ilopo next and 45 half level uniform.
Roger, opposite direction traffic is the MD-83. Estimating Ilopo 1702, flight level 130 will be descending.
Okay, copy the MD-80 and 12912. There's got to be power coming to pick up this stuff.
Yes, sir.
You want cruise?
Yes, please.
40 for the trend or 35?
You can do 40 on the trend.
Alright. Cruise power is set. Altimeter is 2992 for you, 1013 for me.
Just set left.
Notified, the cruise checks completed.
Copy.
And is there a timer? Yep.
Flight level 090, we were 803.
Windward 803, correct. Break Windward 2912, report DME Alpha November uniform.
On the Bravo 52033 DME at all. After uniform. Sorry, 33 DME. Windward 2912.
Windward 2912, roger. Windward 803, did you copy the DME of the opposite direction traffic?
Can you confirm the DME? I missed the DME.
Windward 2912, we 35 DME on the Bravo 520 radio, 320 level flight level 080.
Copy, sorry.
Windward 803, direct Umbral is approved.
Direct Umbral is approved. Windward 803.
Take off. They got flights going in there, power?
Yeah.
Oh, they do?
I know they have one in the morning, sometimes to come from, when we used to overnight, they used to go from Antigua to St.Maarten also.
Right. Correcting altitude.
Sure. 44. Approaching 45 DME afternoon, uniform wind 29012.
Windward 2912, roger, break. Windward 803, report DME Alpha November uniform.
DME is 39. 39.
Roger, after 35 DME, descend to 2,500 feet. QNH 1017, on reaching Umbral, cleared for the straight and approach runway 07, report Umbral inbound.
Roger, after 35 nautical miles, we're cleared down to 2,500 at Umbral for approach.
They don't pass us.
Yeah, man. Let's make sure I have a 10 mile separation.
Correct. Also report passing flight level 70.
We'll call you passing flight level 70. Winair 803.
Windward 2912. Contact Julliana 128.95.
Oh, the Julliana 128.95, 29012. Good day. The Julliana approach, good day, wind 29012.
Windward 2912, good day, Juliana, confirm squawking 0157 at 5 miles to Slugo, direction to Ilopo.
Affirm 2912.
Windward 2912, Juliana, approach radar contact, India current, altimeter 3006, call for descent.
366, will advise me ready for descent, we have 29012. Take descent at Ilopo. Anyway, assessment to the VOR, Julliana, Papa Juliet, Mike.
1, Juliana.
Juliana, Coast Guard 81 is approaching Dande. We are 35 miles to the southwest of Dande, passing through flight level 206 in the descent level 150 at Dande.
Coast Guard 81, roger, confirm squawking 277.134 miles southwest Dundee.
Affirm, Coast Guard 81.
Coast Guard 81, Juliana, approach radar contact, altimeter 3006, India current, and confirm it will be full stop at Juliana.
Copy QNH 3006, full stop at Juliana, Coast Guard 81.
Coast Guard 81, roger. Expect further descent after Dundee, VOR Zulu approach and use, on have and visual on request.
Roger, after Dundee, the VOR Zulu approach, and we'll call you visual, Coast Guard 81.
Windward 2912, when the descent maintain 5,000 feet on 3006.
366, pilot discretion down to 2,500 feet, 29012.
Windward 2912, 5,000 feet.
Correction, down to 5,000 feet, pilot discretion, with 29012.
Affirm.
5,000 feet, our discretion.
Yeah, down to 5, here we go.
Even 80 now, descending 5,000, wind 29012.
Roger.
Juliana, approach Cadelia 314 is out of 2,000 feet, maintaining heading 230.
Layer 314, good day, Juliana, approach radar contact 2 miles south, Juliana VOR, 2.3 climbing, reclear level 100, direct juice to join the cushion direct beef.
100 direct beef via 314.
Juliana, approach American 1753, radar flight level 210, flight level 110 with India.
American 1753, good day, Juliana, approach, confirm your squawking 5745, 38 miles to Slugo.
5745 and 38 miles to Slugo, American 1753.
American 1753, roger, Juliana, approach radar contact, altimeter 3006, Juliet is current, VOR Zulu approach and use, on have and visual on request.
Yeah, we'll request the RNAV to 10, American 1753.
American 1753, on have on request, roger.
Juliana, Coast Guard 81, is your ATS working?
Affirm, Juliet is current. Guard 81A firm, Juliet is current, frequency for 8 is again 12165.
127.
Correction, stand by for the frequency.
Oh. Is 12765, right?
Right.
Coast Guard,
070 and 140. Visibility 10 kilometers. Sky conditions, few clouds at 2,000. Temperature, tree 1, dew point 25. QNH 1018. Altimeter, tree 006. No significant change in weather expected. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Juliet.
Coast Guard 81 frequency, 88 is frequency 12765.
12765, it's not really picking up anything, 12765.
Let me know when you do.
Welcome.
For the
2912, turn left, heading 290.
left turn heading 290, Window 2912.
Left turn 290.
Good. And for me it's 1018 for the QNH, it is 3006.
Yeah, approach Sunwing
3006, AFO, check.
20 descending 120 with India.
006 set.
Sugar Day, Juliet approach, confirm squawking 0574 with the position of 36 miles to Sligo.
Affirm for Sunwing 762.
Sunwing 762, Juliet approach, radar contact, Juliet current, altimeter 3006, VOR Zulu approach and use, RNAV and visual on request.
Requesting the RNAV for 10, altimeter 3006 will get Juliet, Sunwing 762.
Sunwing 762, RNAV on request. Expect vectors to the south for sequencing and spacing after Sligo.
Sunwing 762, roger.
American 1753, expect after Sligo vectors to the south for sequencing and spacing.
Okay, understand. Say again the point for American 1753.
After Sligo, expect vectors to the south.
Clear down to 5.
Clear down to 290, 6 to 5.
2912, descend 2,600 feet, 3006.
Descend 2,600, 306, 2912. 2,600 now.
Roger.
Coast Guard 81, after down, they would like to proceed to Uluba.
Coast Guard 81, roger, you have your request. Expect vectors further west of Uluba for sequencing and spacing. Number 2.
Roger, Coast Guard 81.
Got about 203 on the ground. Speed.
Yes, sir.
Wow. I think you should be safe enough to call ups.
Yeah, right.
You got one.
I got one.
Operations, good day, and we're 2912.
2912, welcome back. I thought you all got lost. Go ahead.
2912, the times are...
Airway and 7,000 American 175.
Coast Guard 81, descend maintain
66.
1,000 feet, turn left heading 040.
Okay, upon arrival, you can take your stuff out. 2912, it's been a pleasure. 636, go ahead.
American 1753, descend maintain 5,000 feet on 3007.
Cleared to 5,000 feet, 3007, American 1753.
Right hand turn, heading 285, Sunwing 763.
Sunwing 7663, Juliana approach, radar contact 6 miles south, Juliana VOR.
Check.
Windward 2912, 3.9 descending, roger.
Okay.
Juliana approach Sunwing.
It's 25, you sent us down too, right?
Sunwing 76.
Yes, he gives down 2,600.
So right, 2,600, that's what I thought.
Sunwing 763, turn right, and heading 315, join the Bravo 520.
Okay, heading 315 and join Bravo 520.
Hey, nothing. Hey.
Yeah, 314.
Can't miss nothing no more. We got everything I got for proof here.
Center 118.15 radar services terminated.
11815 via 314 so long.
Sunwing 762, Juliana.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, we picked up the wrong instructions. Sunwing 762, we were on course to Sugo.
Sunwing 762, maintain incursion at Sunwing 763.
That's 26, I mean 36 for 26.
Sunwing 763 on heading up 315 to intercept Bravo 520.
Sunwing 763, affirm, heading 315, join Bravo 520 westbound.
Understood, 763.
Windward 2912, turn right, direct Yaluba.
637 departure.
Right turn to Yaluba, Windward 2912.
Alright, bring me up a Zulu.
Up 637 departure. 0512, estimating St.Maarten. 22, fuel landing, call it 700.
Number 3.
Number 3 heading 360, Coast Guard 81.
340 direct track.
Layer 314, sang 1 again on 11815. Windward 2912. Position is 9 miles south, final approach, fix 1810, clear for the straight in VOR Zulu approach 1810, continue to Yaluba.
Clear for the straight in VOR Zulu approach and continue direct Yaluba, Windward 2912.
The thing is, it's on request. You can tag the visual. Yeah, tell me you can accept the visual.
Let me tell him see what he say.
11815, Sunwing 763, good day.
Juliana, Windward 2912. You got a feeling set we can take the visual if possible?
Windward 2912, recleared visual approach 1810. Contact tower. Caution, continue to Yaluba and contact tower for your turn inbound.
Alright, clear the visual approach and continue direct Yaluba over the tower for the turn inbound. Windward 2912. Let up. Juliana Tower, good day, Windward 2912, proceeding direct to Yaluba.
Operation 535 departure.
Windward 2912, Juliana, good day. You may proceed direct to the threshold. Information, Juliana is current QNA 3005.
305, direct to the threshold, over 2912, thank you. Did we do the approach checks?
Go ahead.
You know, so
It's standard.
brake pedal, check. Hydraulics,
Up and check.
fuel selectors,
Normal.
altimeters.
Set 3006, my side set.
You say 305 now.
3005, one up. Down, check.
Navigation aids,
As sufficient for the visual.
speed chart,
Posted.
full briefing.
Landing into St.Maarten, Juliana, with flaps 20 degrees speed. We're looking at about 75 knots, go around, right turn back downwind, no landing possible. We'll proceed in this case to Anguilla. Fuel is sufficient for Anguilla.
Alright, understood, and no PA required. First checks completed.
Roger that, understood.
I'll put direct Papa Joe Mike.
Windward 535, contact Juliana, approach 12895.
They're gone.
12895, Windward 535.
But that was our flight.
That was our flight.
Windward 2912, runway 10, clear to land, 10015.
Clear to land 10, Windward 2912. Alright, clear to land.
Roger that.
Ops India landing in 30 seconds.
Flaps 10.
Flaps 10, check, select. And set, check.
$500. $400.
Done by 20 and Fox. Check.
300.
And go ahead, 20.
20. Select.
Max RPM.
Moving forward. Full landing, flaps 20, props, mask off, snipe, final clear with radar, standby, landing lights.
It is on.
Clearance received before landing checks complete.
Sure.
$100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, same altitude, less than 1 mile.
Yeah.
Really?
Only one to see.
Windward 2912 on a time 22, vacate via Charlie to the ramp.
Charlie to the ramp, 2912, good day.
Good day, sir. American 1753.
All right, after landing.
Clear to line 11015.
With your
Clear to land,
landing
runway
lights
10,
off the
just approaching
landings
line
with
for
be
American
completed.
175.
Roger.
Traffic, 3 o'clock,
Yeah?
same altitude, 0 miles.
I thought they don't do it when you're on the ground.
Well, they're not supposed to unless, I don't know.
Ops 2912 on the ground time, 2220, 800 on the field.